Hello everyone, my name is Renuja. I am from Department of English in Sri Krishna University, and today's my topic is one word substitution. One word substitution, what actually the meaning of this? One word substitution, it means that we are going to use only one word for so many things. Like एक पूरे sentence की बजाय हम सिर्फ एक one word में पूरा चीज़ describe कर सकते हैं. That particular thing is called one word substitution. So let's start. The first word, that is introvert. Introvert, we are going to call introvert a person who is very reserved and shy. If a person is not able to open up socially, if he has some kind of anxiety or fear of public speaking, those are called introvert. It doesn't mean that they are not aware of something or they don't have that much of knowledge. They have everything, but they are not able to speak up in front of everyone. They have a fear of social interaction. Those person we call them introvert. Now the next one, invigilator. Everyone actually know about this word, invigilator. A person जो आपके exams time में आपको supervise करते हैं. The person who was supervising while you are giving exams, those are called invigilator. So we are not using too much. हम पूरा sentence नहीं बोलते, हम सिर्फ एक word बोलते that okay, she is my invigilator or he is invigilator of this particular room. So we are using only one word for this. The whole sentence. Invigilator, a person who is supervising the examination. Radio jockey. Radio jockey, someone who is actually performing in radio. जब भी और host a radio show. रेडियो शो को जो भी होस्ट करते हैं, आप सबने सुना होगा रेडियो शो में जब भी कोई बोलते हैं, there are so many popular names also radio show. Those are called radio jockey. Those who are perform radio show. The person who behaves without moral principle. A person who is behaving without moral principle. What do you mean by moral principle? Moral principle कि जो किसी भी principle को, किसी भी चीज़ को morally, जो कि नैतिक मूल्यों से हट के जो बंदा होता है, जिसमें नैतिक मूल्यों की कमी होती है, those are called immoral. So we can use a person who is actually not using any principle, any moral values जिसके पास नहीं है लाइफ में, हम उस बंदे को बोलते हैं he is such a immoral person, that he is not actually using any moral values in his life. Someone with a very beautiful handwriting, those person are called calligrapher. A person who is having very beautiful handwriting, those are called calligrapher. That she is a calligrapher or he is a calligrapher. Those who are having a very beautiful handwriting. A group of people, typically with vehicles, animals, traveling together. A group of people. It's not about one particular people, one particular person. A group of people जो कि animals को लेकर या फिर अपने साथ जो हैं vehicles को लेकर जो चलते हैं, that particular group is called कारवां. हमने ये word भी सुना होगा कई बार, कारवां जा रहा है तो कारवां. They have vehicles also, they have animals also. A group of people who were traveling one place to another place with their vehicles and with their animals with them, those are called कारवां. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft, that person we call him astronaut. A person who is actually trained, जिसने पढ़ाई कर रखी है और वो trained है space में जाने के लिए, spacecraft में जाने के लिए, that person is called astronaut. We are using this particular word astronaut for those. A person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a performance of dances. जो किसी को डांस के पूरे सीक्वेंस और पूरा का पूरा परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक एक सीक्वेंस में सिखाते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड कोरियोग्राफर्स. And we actually heard this word so many times in TV, choreographers. The choreographers actually पूरा का पूरा शो जो है वो कोरियोग्राफ करते हैं फर्स्ट स्टेप से लेके लास्ट स्टेप तक सीक्वेंस में. Someone who sells or grows flower or someone who is actually studying about the flowers, they are called florist. A person who is actually sells, grows, or maybe they are actually study about the flowers, they are called florist. versatile, a person who is able to adapt so many activities, different activities, and they are doing that particular thing in a very nice manner. They are called versatile person. A person who is actually, you can put them anywhere and they are able to do. They are able to adapt or already adapted so many different functional qualities, activities. किसी भी चीज़ में वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में अपने आप को प्रूव कर सकते हैं. That person is called versatile. A person who always look at the thing which are negative side of a thing. कोई भी चीज़ चल रही हो, कोई भी चीज़, किसी भी चीज़ को अगर देखने का एक इंसान जो सिर्फ उसके नेगेटिव साइड को ज़्यादा देखता है, that person is called pessimist. इसका अपोजिट होता है ऑप्टिमिस्ट, जो कि सिर्फ पॉजिटिव चीज़ें देखते हैं, लेकिन जो नेगेटिव चीज़ें देखते हैं सिर्फ नेगेटिव, जिनको उसमें कुछ पॉजिटिव नज़र नहीं आता है, they are called pessimist. A person who doesn't take any alcoholic drink, कोई भी जो शराब को या शराब सिगरेट ये सब बिल्कुल भी कोई हाथ नहीं लगाता और उसको बिल्कुल नहीं कुछ करता, उसको बोला जाता है teetotaler. Teetotaler, a person who doesn't take any alcoholic drink. A person who introduces the performers or contestant in a variety show. There is a person जो दूसरे को बुलाता है स्टेज पे, एक के ख़त्म होने के बाद दूसरे को बुलाता है, that person is called anchor. So राघव जो है एंकरिंग करता है, that's also a very big profession nowadays, a anchor. Anchor, a person who introduces all the contestants one by one. Empathy. Empathy is that particular thing when a person is able to, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. एक ऐसा इंसान जो दूसरों की फीलिंग को बहुत प्यार से, बहुत अच्छे से समझ सके, that is called empathy. Okay, I'm going to give you an example of this. Suppose करिए कि आपकी गाड़ी चल रही है और आप 100 की स्पीड से आपकी गाड़ी चल रही है और 100 की स्पीड से आपने यहाँ पे देखा एक बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत भीड़ है पूरी की पूरी, तो आपकी गाड़ी की स्पीड 80 हुई, फिर 60 हुई, 40 हुई और एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे आके आपकी गाड़ी रुक भी गई एंड यू वांट टू सी यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग ओवर देयर. अभी तक हमने जो भी किया दैट एक्चुअली कम्स इन सिंपैथी ओनली, लाइक एक सांत्वना जो हम फील करते हैं. ओके, हमने यहाँ से उतर के हम भीड़ में भी गए और हमने देखा दिस इज़ ऑल्सो, यहाँ तक भी हम सिर्फ उस इंसान के साथ सिंपैथी दिखा रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट एम्पैथी विद दैट पर्सन. बट द मोमेंट आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया, द मोमेंट यू एक्चुअली टुक दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, आपने देखा एक्सीडेंट हो रखा है और आपने उस इंसान को अपनी गाड़ी में डाल के और उसको हॉस्पिटल लेकर गए या कॉल किया, या आपने उस इंसान को ये सोचा कि अगर इसकी जगह कोई मेरे घर का, या उसके दर्द को आपने फील करके देखा, तो उसको कहते हैं एम्पैथी. A person who can actually ability to understand and share the feelings of others, that person is called empathic. Empathy person, a word which is used for that, empathy. Extrovert. Extrovert we are using for that particular person who is outgoing, socially confident person, a person who doesn't have any kind of, you can say, fear in public speaking, a person who is actually very open in social gatherings, a person who is extrovert and who can speak on any topic, and they have that kind of, you can say, confident also. So those are called extrovert. Now the last one is abbreviation. Abbreviation, by shortening something, किसी चीज़ को छोटे में बताना. We all are aware of that, about this. Like if we need to write doctor, हम उसका abbreviation लिखते हैं doctor. If we need to write down miss, abbreviation is miss. And there are so many abbreviation जो हम करते हैं और सारे के सारे abbreviation को professor, so professor. Abbreviation is mean shortening something. A small word में हम सब कुछ, अगर हम ये doctor लिखते हैं तो हमें पता होता है DR dot, we are aware of that, we are talking about some doctor. So this particular DR dot, this is called abbreviation. So I hope that you understand one word substitution. Thank you so much.